Okay, quick video. I noticed a lot of people are asking me how to get like a free ringtone on your iPhone or iPod Touch. Okay, there's this software called iRinger. It's maybe like 3 megabytes, and all you have to do when you download it is click import. Okay, pick a song. I'll pick which one is really famous. Okay, Let It Rock. And it's gonna and then you pick which when you want your ringtone to start. If you want it to start there, I want it right there. Okay, hold on, right. And it's gonna be 30 seconds long. And when you're done, you click export. You press no gap. Export to iTunes. And press go. Make sure yeah, I already made a ringtone like this, so I'll just press no. And make sure iTunes is opened and when you're running iRinger. So far, I had more, but I uninstalled iTunes because it kept on crashing. I have a lot of ringtones. Have fun, everybody. Have the best ringtones. Alright, Sasuke01 signing out.